Today in this video we will see how to lock your Facebook profile. This is my account. You can easily lock your Facebook profile to hide your information from other user. Just open Facebook account, click on profile icon. Here you can see this is my simple account. Today I convert into Facebook lock profile by following some simple step. Just go back and scroll down this page. Here you can see setting option. Go to the profile setting, just update your Facebook app and scroll down this page. Here you can see profile locking. To lock your profile by following some one step, one click. Here you can see lock your profile. All your friend can see your post and videos. No anyone can see this information. Just click on lock your profile. You can easily lock your profile. When your friend accepted, visit your profile. Here you can see your lock profile Facebook. To unlock your Facebook profile, just simple step, click on profile locking, type on, just go back. To unlock, just click on profile setting. This is the simple process to lock and unlock profile setting. To unlock your profile, just click on unlock. Here you can see unlock. You can easily lock or unlock by following this step. If you like this video, share our video with friend. Goodbye.